Bring him right to you, okay? So get as close as you can. I'm just going to back up.
Oh my God, Michael. Jesus.
Get it, Michelle.
Come on, Michelle, you can do it. The fish is going to be dead by the time you get
You guys are fine with it. Let's go stand next to you guys.
Wow.
Good
That,
God.
Hit the woolly booger.
Yeah, man.
Did? Boy, did he ever. Michael, your guns are going.
Yeah, that's my gun look.
Take a picture of his gun.
Oh, I got it, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a license for that?
Oh my.
Look at it.
That's alright, that's alright. I'll bring him to you.
You got it, Michelle?
Yeah. Did you get my good side?
Here he comes.
Oh, jeez. He's fighting it.
Here he comes.
You gotta swoop in there, Michelle.
Get underneath
Don't
him.
be shy. Don't be shy. Here he comes. He's gonna turn around. Here he goes. Right.
Get underneath
right
him.
there. Get him with two hands. Get him with two. Come on, Michelle. Come on, Michelle. Oh, Michael, he's huge. Here. God, he's not gonna fit in the net. Help us. Here.
Oh, came off.
Okay.
Oh, nice drop.
Broke the net.
No way.
Yeah.
Is there another net over here?
Really? Jeez.
Golly.
Hey, take a picture of this. You've got to release it.
I've got the video.
We don't get to keep him. It's catch release.
Why don't you just take a picture with your fish? Dude, look at damn hole.
That's
That
awesome.
was big enough,
Did
huh?
you get him?
I got the entire thing on video.
Did you really?
Yeah,
Wow.
that was great.
Whole arm.
Dude, I think it was huge.
It was
job,
huge.
That was awesome.
Dude, my arms are gonna fall out.
Well, let's go home.